dun.
Oh, great. I got stuck in this situation and I got the hiccups.
You got the hiccups again, Sonic? You remember the last time you got hiccups? Let's go to that thinking.
Flying.
Sonic, why are you flying?
I don't even know. I don't even have tail. Look.
Are you hiccuping? I knew the doctor said something about this. See, I told you that's what I was talking about. And that last one was not good. No, you're not in this video. You're not in this. You're not in this video. Okay.
That's why.
Sonic.
It's just because I'm the actor of him.
Whatever.
I just want to attack.
Okay, so it's your hiccups, right?
Yes, my hiccup.
No, please don't. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna. I'm gonna. Boo!
That's scary.
Boo!
Funny.
It's gonna be like boo! So boo! So boo is disgusting. Okay, guys, this
This is not working at all. Picture my eye. Picture my eye up here.
no.
Hit my eye. Your